Steel. Durable steel construction. Durable steel construction with precision-fit locking pins helps ensure secure, easy assembly on the field while increasing stability. Fast setup. For all its durability, this Franklin sports goal is also easy and fast to set up. It snaps quickly into place, with extra fasteners for improved performance. Play anywhere. Perfect for backyards, youth leagues and club soccer practices. All-weather net. Designed for rugged use and dependability, this all-weather soccer net is the perfect solution to create a soccer goal that lasts kick after kick, score after score. Easy setup. Push-pin snap quickly into place, with extra fasteners for improved performance. This is the ultimate goal for multi-sport training by young athletes. Since the year has many seasons and with each season you may change your sport, this goal has you covered. Made using a durable 1.25-inch steel frame with a 50-inch wide opening, this goal is perfect for backyard training, neighborhood pickup games and coaches on field practices. The rugged goal measures 50 by 42 by 26 inches, WXHXD, and can be used on any lawn or field, anchored with ground stakes included, or pavement. This all-purpose goal offers great performance and holds up to constant play, shot after shot. Top reviews from the United States. Solid frame, strong net, happy buyer. We picked this up for our 5-yo girls who are interested in soccer. This net is just the right size for the open space we have in our yard. The net and frame are sturdy. When held down with the metal stakes which come in the package, I am confident the net will not fall over. The metal tubes which make up the frame are strong, painted, and the weight and thickness of the tubes seems very good. The assembly instructions were a little bit misleading because some of the parts must be assembled in a certain order, but I figured it out. First time assembly took about 10 minutes. The sleeves in the net where the frame mates with the net as a durable material, feature Velcro on some of the pieces to help with assembly, not noted in the instructions by the way. And the material which makes up the netting is also a good quality weight. I feel confident this net will be good to go for a number of years. I selected this net because of the metal frame, the good net material as mentioned in some of the other reviews here, and I recognized the brand name. I looked at purchasing the plastic folding frame nets, and the fiberglass frame folding nets and considered them. I wasn't thrilled with the durability of those products based on other reviews, and this Franklin net was around the same price point.